friends, today I'm going to teach you how to make coffee using a Coffeemate and a microwave. So let's see the ingredients which you need. For that you need a coffee, which is any brand, sugar, spoons, half a cup of water, Coffeemate, and the super important, a microwave. So let's warm the water 1.5 minutes. So now our water is heated. Now we'll put the ingredients. First we have to put the coffee. Half spoon of coffee. It's good. Mix it a little bit. And let's put the Coffeemate. This is 1 spoon. The second spoon. And let's put the sugar. 1 spoon. 1 spoon of sugar. Now I think the coffee is ready, so let's taste and see. I think you should try it.